What's up, Tech Nation? Tech Time with Jack. We got tech reviews. We got website reviews. We got smartphone app reviews. Subscribe now.
What's up, Tech Nation? Okay, today's the big test. Apple says you have to have certain model iPads or computers or iPhones to run the new Apple Intelligence. I started thinking, I said, why? They explained that it was the chip inside that needed to do all the calculating. I thought my other AI works. They don't require me to have a new iPhone. So I thought, okay, I believe they send the question out to their servers, calculate the AI, send you back the answer. So if I turn off all communication, according to Apple, all the heavy lifting is done on the device. So let's take a look and see if we can get an answer with no internet, no cellular, no communication outside the building. And if it fails, then they're using it as a marketing ploy and they're trying to get you just to upgrade. So let's try it out. So here comes the test. So they say you have to have an iPhone 15 or higher or one of the new iPads to run the Apple Intelligence. So the test is this. I don't believe the phone or the iPad are calculating the information for the AI they promised. I believe they send it off-site, calculate on the servers, send the answer back, and it has nothing to do with the iPhone model or the iPad model, but they're just trying to get you to spend more money. So, if I'm correct, I got Wi-Fi off, I got airplane mode on, this won't be able to work. Let's try it out. Okay, Siri. Hey, Siri. What time does Disneyland open?
To do that, you'll need to turn off airplane mode.
See? Right there. To do that, you need to turn off airplane mode. I was right. Okay, so in conclusion, Apple does require the internet. Apple does the heavy lifting. Does not require a special processor in your phone. So if you have an iPhone 14, you should be able to get Apple Intelligence. It is a marketing ploy to get people to spend more money, upgrade their equipment. So I call bunk. Our test went good. So let's see if people get together and have an issue with this.